Okay, so they are done, and I've got out my bullet, which is a closed blender, as you can see here. These got a couple cups here. I do it in this bullet blender just so that everything's closed up and none of the powder escapes. The first time I did this several years ago, I was doing the jalapenos and I had only a coffee grinder, which was not airtight. So I had the whole kitchen full of jalapeno powder. It was going up my nose, burning in my eyes and everything else. So what I'm going to do is take each one of these out, and let me show you real quick. So I have jalapenos and I have these are cayenne peppers. So I'm going to split them up between the two, and then I will bring you back and show you me grinding them. Alright, so I had enough to fill this up, and I've got a little bit more left in my dehydrator. And I'm going to put the cap on it and get these blended down and bring it back and show you what I've got. Now, let's see. I have to do this with two hands. One of these days, I'm going to get out my tripod and set it up so I don't have to do one-handed filming and one-handed working. All right, hold on a second. So this gets pretty loud. I'm sorry, guys. So I still have to blend it a little bit more. So okay, I do want to try to get as many of the seeds ground down. Okay, it's getting there. All right, I think we got it. All right, so that's what we have in there, and I am going to let this settle for a few minutes, take it outside, open it in case there is any kind of dust still flying around in there before I let this off, because not for nothing, I will be putting my nose in it and it burns. So there we go. Alright, this is what it looks like after it comes out of the blender. My fingers out of it. Too much. But that's what it looks like. Yes, you can see some of the seeds did not get ground up, but that's okay. Like in my jalapeno one here, you can see that I did not do it up a lot. This I use quite a bit in my cornbread. I just sprinkle this into the cornbread, and these are little jars, spice jars that I picked up either at the dollar store or Walmart. So that's what this will go into, and be like those. And this other one that I have here is jalapeno and chili pepper, and this is going into its own. And then I have, that's another one, just showing you it's oregano. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye bye.